Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I absolutely love a good storage solution. And this little vanity is so incredible.
HVCBOSS has really thought of everything when it comes to this vanity. From its compact size to the generous amount of storage, everything about this vanity is incredible. I love how it has amazing drawers that fit so much, a seat that doubles as storage with a drawer on the bottom, and it has a mirror with three different light settings. This is so great because you can sit down, do your makeup, and put everything away when you're done, and it just looks like such a sleek piece of furniture. I have been so pleased with this because I have a lot of makeup and all of it fits so perfectly in this great little vanity. Ample storage and a space saving design. Really, what more could you even ask for?
If you're looking for a really convenient way to have a bunch of storage that looks really put together and sleek, you're going to love this vanity. I am so impressed with it, and that's my point of view.